New developments in the post-conviction relief filing of the Fairbanks Four. This week, Superior Court Judge Paul Lyles ruled to allow evidence presented by the Alaska Innocence Project in court, at least temporarily. Lyles denied the state's motion to dismiss new evidence, including an alleged confession by convicted murderer Bill Holmes, in which he says he and another group of men killed John Hartman in 1997. In his 16-page order, Lyles also said the Innocence Project has proved their case enough to continue to move forward in an evidence discovery. However, Lyles did not rule on whether or not the evidence to be heard would be considered admissible after this phase of hearings.
The state's position since the filing has been kind of to appease people. They've said we're willing to do an evidentiary hearing, but their other position is we don't want any of this evidence in it. So I think that it's a step in the right direction for the court, of course, to allow evidence into an evidentiary hearing. Like, we're definitely in this long procedural sea of activities, so there's going to be, it just feels like a continued one step forward, two steps back. But they're really small decisions right now, but this is one that falls in the Innocence Project's favor. So.
Another matter in the case is the sealed evidence and whether or not that will be publicly released and admitted in court as well. This comes in the form of a statement by Jason Wallace being held tight under attorney-client privilege. A temporary stay was granted and has now been extended until mid-February to allow the appellate court time to view the appeal filed by Wallace's attorney, Jason Gazewood, earlier this month.